Gets caught in the crossfire. Gets caught in the
Alright guys, welcome back to Dirtworks TV. Sorry it's been a while. We are in the transition of moving and we just got set back up, so we'll be back to our regular schedule, putting out content a couple times a week. In this video we did there's a lot of stuff that we did. So we did full seawall, we did all the landscaping around the house, removed a bunch of old trees and brush, installed a beach up on top of the seawall in the grassy areas, and yeah, let's get to the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Appreciate it as always. Check out our merch store, have the link listed below, and let's get to the content, boys and girls, of course. So yeah, you guys can see here we're removing all the old concrete seawall that was there. It was crumbling and cracked and heaving forward. Removing that, we're installing one of our favorite blocks that we use. That's the 1 ton retaining wall blocks. They weigh a little over a ton. It's 2,400 pounds. And yeah, so behind this wall, we're gonna do, on the bottom of it, we're going to do a foot of crushed concrete for the base, and then behind the wall we're going to use a 6A drainage stone with some drain tile at the bottom. We're just doing one row all the way across, and then on the top we're going to run it so sand comes right up to the edge of the wall, so it looks like, you're going right off the wall into the lake, in the beach area. And yeah, we're loading out all the old retaining wall, getting things prepped to install the new wall. And yeah, we'll continue going forward here, and we appreciate all the new subscribers and stuff. Don't forget, if you got any questions, hit us below. Anything you got, business related or job related, we appreciate all the questions for sure. But yeah, you can see we're compacting everything and getting things prepped to install the wall. Beautiful lake, nice blue water, awesome. Love doing these jobs, definitely fun. This one I installed all by myself, one-man show, of course. Getting her done. It's not too bad once you get the blocks positioned just right and get everything in place, get it lined up. It's pretty simple. You can kind of just balance them off each other and check for level, and you're good to go. We like to keep the overhead low, keep it fair with the customers. But yeah, let's continue on. So yeah, as you can see in the video, some of these lake jobs are quite the task because access is always limited, and yeah, so we're having to go up to the top of the hill to get the material, bring it all the way back down, and rehandle it, but it's all good. It works out. This wall turned out nice. It's definitely solid, not going anywhere. Definitely going to stop the erosion on the shore that they had issues with. And yeah, you can kind of see how you use the block before it to line things up, and that works out really well, so it makes it possible to do it all by yourself. Getting everything excavated, getting it all cleaned out. Installing the last few blocks. Yeah, this is definitely, it was a good job, it was fun. We like doing these jobs where you get to make things look all pretty and kind of blank slate as far as like install. So we built another rock retaining wall up through the center of this, and on the top by the road there we also added in a driveway, so that way they'd have more parking access. On lakes around here in Michigan, it's usually pretty tight, so more parking the better. But we'll continue on with the time lapse. And
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon.
Yeah, you can see for all the weed control, we used it's a really thick, it's like a geo fabric, contractor's grade tarp. It's almost like a tarp, but it's able to filtrate the water and stuff, so you don't have any water build up underneath. This stuff works amazing for as far as weed protection. We used really nice steel metal edging all the way around the entire areas that we were landscaping, and it gives it a nice, sleek, professional look. Definitely a lot better than the rollout kind of plastic edging you see from like the big box stores. Metal edging's definitely the way to go. It's kind of expensive. It's like $44 for 8 feet of it, but definitely on a high-end project like this, it's definitely much better to use.
I wanna be the
We're using here, it's a nice, like, clean beach sand. It's actually pretty cool. It's hauled in from down by Lake Michigan, which is like an hour away, and the supplier we get it from is like 30 minutes away from where this job is, and it's awesome for if you're building the beach and stuff. You definitely want to use a beach sand if the area you're doing is for a beach. Like, it's a lot better than just screen sand or 2S sand. It's fluffy and it stays nice, and it definitely makes the job way better for sure. It's good clean sand. You can see how we're running the sand right up to the edge of the blocks, and yeah, makes it kind of look like it just kind of tapers right into the water. And
yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts. I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth. Can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about. Have your f***ing cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round. I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to
just finishing it up. And you can also see those big red rocks there. It's like a Canadian chocolate something or another it's called, but they're expensive and they
What's
look
up,
nice.
guys? Dirtworks TV here. Alright, so we're putting the final touches on this job that we did. We installed a bunch of gray slate, ripped out all this stuff, landscaped all around the house, put in a seawall, put in a beach. We got the last of our boulders right here. We built the parking area up top. Got the blocks for the border on the beach. So yeah, we installed all this. Built that. We're just getting everything dialed in, and then we're going to topsoil and seed everything, get her done. So we got the beach down there. Nice beach sand. And we got the seawall that we did. Installed all this, ripped out a bunch of stuff that was there. But yeah, quick update, we're gonna do these final touches and get her done. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dirtworks TV. So finally finished this one up. This job we did a lot of work. Built this retaining wall, natural stone boulders. We installed all this gray slate, all the lights. Got a few more plants to install. Installed bistro lights, trees, Canadian, whatever those are called, some stepping stones, topsoil the yard, built a little wall. This is a fun one. We had to clean the slate on it. We just knocked it out of the park. That's topsoil here. Seawall, both beaches, all the retaining wall blocks. It's good beach sand. Seeded, strawed. We also installed all this. And we just got to plant those 4 trees. Stepping stones. This was a fun one. It's hard to access a lot of these jobs. Install all this. there you have it. Let's stick with you guys, but freaking whooped and going ham on this job. Took a little bit longer than expected, but it's a lot of work. You gotta wheelbarrow a lot of them rocks and stuff. Hauling all the material here, that's the other thing, can't use a dump truck. No access, super tight. One of those ones. Hey, gotta charge them for what it is. We like these all. It's fun to make things that weren't very nice look very nice. I love that metal edging too. It's awesome. You know what it is. Like, subscribe, do your thing. Appreciate you all. Let's go. Dirt work.